Hello, Ken. To all us aspiring Filipinas who wanted to work here in Hong Kong, I just want to say good luck and I hope na makaabot na mo diri sa Hong Kong, makakuha mo og amo. And my advice is that during a video interview or like mag-introduce mo sa imong kaugalingon na tan-awon sa mga employers diri sa Hong Kong is that be active and ipakita ninyo nga willing jud mo mag-work diri sa Hong Kong and like smile because they want positive people in their house or positive Filipino. Good luck.